everyone, today I decided to print gifts for my colleague or co-workers. So it's a small keychain and I decided use only two colors. I have small 3D printer. It's a Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. So it was not hard. I just use project, change name, download file and print. All these keychains spent around 1 hour, but I'm printing by 124%, so it was about half an hour, about 30 minutes. I'm happy. It's good result, you can see. It's perfect. And I hope my colleague will happy to see. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.